Hey guys, it's the Building Master, and I just found my Nana got me this present. It's like a mythical dragon, and it's like usually they're like eggs that you open them, and then there's like these dragon snake things. And I got one, but it's really big. So since the name that right there, like it's like Poloik or something, comment down below what name you want to do, because like I can't pronounce it, so like I won't know what its name was. But if we can, I'll decide which name will win.